how many years I have been envisioning this particular moment I've dreamt about right from my childhood. I would like to thank God for giving me such a content life, and of course my heartfelt gratitudes, my parents who supported me and who really made me learn this art even during their tough times. My father is no more, but I'm sure he's watching me here and he's proud of me. And of course, my family, my husband Umesh and my daughter Chinmay. So those who are from my dance class, they know how supportive they are.
Yes.
Yeah, and they are of course my hands and ears and everything, my lifeline actually. And then again, all my friends and chief guests and guest of honor. So I'm actually overwhelmed by thinking that I have earned so many people within a short span of time, which is 2 years, and coming to dance. So usually there's a saying, like you have to choose 3 hobbies. So one to keep you fit, and one that nurtures your creativity, and third one is which enlightens your spirituality. So I would really say dance would tick all the boxes. I hope everybody would agree with me, because being physically fit is directly proportional to dance, right? So you have to be fit to dance, and dance keeps you fit. And creativity, I would say it's overloaded to choreograph anything and dance form. And coming to the last point, the spirituality and opening up your mind. For that sake, any art form, I would say it connects you to the universe. And coming to the name Aham, so there was a lot of thought process behind this. So Aham is one word which transpires the same meaning both in Sanskrit and in my mother tongue Tamil. So Aham in Sanskrit means me, I. And in Tamil, Aham means it is from inside or your inner self. So your life begins when that I consciousness gets into you and you realize that. And actual wisdom begins when you understand and when you connect to the universe. So when you realize and connect to every creature around you, and that is oneness through dance, Aham. So that's the title. And I have started this dance school with a lot of dreams and a lot of passion. Definitely I'll put my heart and soul to it and all my dedication to get this growing. And thanks all the parents for supporting me and trusting me and being here. Thank you. Hope you would enjoy the show. We are waiting.
Thank you, Janani. You have been really inspiring. Your effort towards your dance school, along with your work and managing home, was really inspirable. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. We have lined up around 6 performances for the day, involving all the students of Aham School of Dance, ranging from the age of 5 till 40, which will take around 15 minutes, 50. So I want you to please sit down, encourage the participants and enjoy the evening. Before starting the actual performance, let me thank the sponsors for today: Ma Creations, Farm Vegetables and Fruits, Chirutindi Chirunama, Heritage Health Mixes and Spices, Suchi's Kitchen, Trankupetti, Ars Handmade Gifts and Decor, Lakshus Collections. All these businesses are startups and run by female entrepreneurs, and wishing them a very good luck. Now it's time we are eagerly waiting for the first performance of the day. Let's call our lovely little girls for the first performance of the day. Strengthening or body conditioning before dancing is crucial for preventing injuries and enhancing performance. It prepares the body and mind for physical demands of dance by increasing blood flow, flexibility and coordination, while also improving mental focus. It takes a month or more to train to reach and requires a level of stamina for any performance. I'm sure you're wondering why am I lecturing about strengthening and body conditioning when I said performance. Yes, let me tell you, this is because the students of Aham School of Dance are going to show you their warm-up before their regular dance classes that they do on a weekly basis. Let me welcome Kumari Kartika, baby Agya, baby Nakshatra, baby Kashvi, baby Aparna, baby Sitara, and baby Yashvi on the stage for this. Thank you.